Insurance and bonds, maybe we can do this one sort of quickly.
Yeah, real quick, what they did with the insurance provision, as I said, the old AIA had 3 pages of insurance language, and again, it's not their fault, they just couldn't keep up with what's going on in the insurance industry. So they have a couple things, say you got to provide insurance, and you got to have a bond, potentially, if it's a government job or if the owner wants a bond.
And bonds are essentially insurance for whether the project's going to be finished out or something like that. It's
Correct.
a different version of insurance.
It's a different security for the owner.
Right.
That's the way I look at it, is a different type of security. But what the AA did is they created an Exhibit A, so now they have a separate exhibit that has this laundry list that can create a dialogue between the owner and the contractor of different types of insurance. So instead of the AAA being in the insurance game and writing insurance language, they said, here are the types of insurance. Now you guys go out to your insurance brokers and figure out what's going to be in there.
And,
Much better approach.
Check at the boxes are the ones that
Check
are
the
going
box.
to be
That's exactly what it is.
appropriate here. All right. A little bit more about insurance. This is a notice of cancellation.
Yeah, and it's just to make sure that sometimes a contractor may get canceled because they didn't pay their premiums. And here the owner says, if you get canceled, you got to tell us about that. And you got to give the owner the chance to step in and pay the contractors the premiums. One thing that people don't understand, when a contractor bids a job, they're already building in price for the insurance. So the owner's already paying for the insurance. The owner wants the project insured to the very end. If the contractor's lost their insurance, the owner can step in and pay for it.
Because there could be big problems.
Yeah.
If something goes wrong, then the owner could be stuck without any insurance coverage for that contractor, which could drag things out for months and years and all kinds of problems.
So this gives a vehicle for that to happen and requires the contractor to tell the owner, I've been canceled.